Thank you very much, Madam Chair, Mr. Chairman, members of the committee. I'm here today to testify in favor of Senate 1206, which is a petition that is relative to patient safety. I know that I missed the group that testified here earlier that I was supposed to be here for, but I got detained in another hearing and got here a little late. So I want to not repeat what they have told you, which I'm expecting they have told you, but I happen to come in time to hear some testimony in opposition to the bill. And I must tell you, I was very surprised to hear testimony that would say that there is no evidence out there that patient safety numbers would change based upon the ratio of staffing to patient. And the reason why I was surprised, because I'm aware of not only some studies but overwhelming research that has been done. And one of the pieces of research is the Journal of American Medical Association, and I will try to make available to the members of the committee and to both of the chairs the study that showed that when you get above 4 patients per RN, for every additional patient, the risk to the additional, not only the additional patients, but the patients that the RNs are caring for will increase by 7% per patient. So not only do I think that the evidence is out there to support the bill that we are all here to support in terms of placing a limit to the number of patients that registered nurses would be responsible for, it also makes common sense. And let me tell you when it makes the most common sense, because I've been through this myself with my own family, as I'm sure some of you may have been through this. When it's your family member, when it has been my family member, and when you're in the hospital and you're in the room and you know that the RN is, down the corridor in another room, heading over to another room, and there's some unique issues going on with your own family member that you want to try to get resolved as quickly as possible, it really hits home. And it's a matter, in many cases, and I don't want to seem to go over the top here, but I'm not going over the top when I say there are cases out there where it's a matter of life and death, whether or not somebody gets there to that room in time when there's an emergency situation that happens to be taking place. So I'd ask you to report the bill all favorably.
Thank you so much, Senator.